What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double O with Astro. Today I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. Just wanted to hop on camera to give you another review of textbot.ai, and I wanted to show you how you can earn $100 daily to your Cash App, Stripe, or any payment method that you choose. And I'm going to show you how you can be able to use the cell phone number that is assigned to you when you can be able to get leads to text or call that number, in Ava, which is the virtual assistant that I will be covering to you in this video, and how to use her to be able to guide your leads and to be able to get those signups and also get sales. Okay, now I know a lot of people wonder how you can be able to use a SMS marketing tool to promote any primary business that you have. Where I'm here to help. I'm here to give you a step-by-step formula of what you can do to be able to get those leads that you've been looking for, to get the exposure just by text message marketing. All right, so I'm gonna take you to in here in the back office, and I'm gonna show you all the different features that textbot.ai has. Okay, we're gonna be starting with textbot, the Ava Basic. Now the Ava Basic is the first level of textbot.ai. So when you first sign up with textbot, this will be the first level that you will be unlocked pretty much. All right, and we're gonna start off with the Ava Leads. Okay, once you click on Ava Leads, this is an area where all of your leads are being recorded for all the people that comes through Ava, and actually talks with the virtual robot. Their number will be recorded right here. So these are your leads, and this is also your lead status. So you can click, like, each lead that comes in, you see each one of them number. You could have just a documentation of, like, if you want the don't call, need to follow up, ready, hot leads, ready to buy, wrong person, paid, paying soon, paying next week. These are different statuses that you can keep up with on your daily agenda, so you'll know what to do with that particular lead. Okay, this is the chat section. Now this section is showing you every conversation that you have with each lead, and Ava pretty much talks on your behalf. Now you can have a choice to choose to have Ava speak for you, or you can have yourself speak, and you could text anything right here at the bottom where it says type a message and hit enter. So if you would like to contact your lead, you make sure that if you want to give them the opportunity or whatever you want to present to them, you text it right there at the bottom of the screen. Okay, these are your settings right here. So you want to have a certain callback number. Your leads could check in their back office and they could call you, which is the sponsor. And they also have a 24-hour message after a person opt in. So if no one actually hit them up, if they haven't really spoke to Ava since then, within that 24-hour period that they spoke to her the first time, you have a customized message that will be given to that particular lead, so it could be able to follow up. Okay, moving along, custom keywords. Now this is very this is powerful right here. This is custom keywords where you could have you could set a certain keyword for a lead to be able to text that particular keyword. Whatever you set up for it, it will present to them whatever you have typed up. Like, so for instance, if I say type cash for this opportunity, if they hit up cash, that particular opportunity is going to be showed to them. You know what I mean? So you can have that link pop up. So you can have a whole bunch of them. And I believe it's, with the Ava Basic package, you only get a certain amount, I think. I'm not quite sure. I have to double check in that. But, you can set these custom keywords so you can be able to make your business a little more flexible. Okay. This is Ava Plus. Now, Ava Plus, this is the second level, where you could be able to earn $500 commissions for a person that is upgraded to that level. So that's something that's very powerful too. And also you can have broadcast emails. Okay, now on to the good stuff. Now, to be able to earn $100 with this platform, you're going to see this number right here. This is your number that's assigned to you. Now, everyone has a different number. This is not your regular cell phone number. This is the number that textbot assigns to you once you become a textbot AI member. This is the number that you share. Now, you can share this on different social media platforms. Now, I also can share this number in Facebook. You could go to different types of Facebook, groups, and you could present that number and you could hit them inside these Facebook groups. That's one way. Another way is creating a story. You could create a story and then you can also text on Facebook that number and tell people to either hit cash, basically any type of text message that that you want them to text to that phone number, and you could have those different leads or prospects come back to you with that, with whatever text they text on your phone. So that's powerful. Okay. And you can see different people. I'm gonna text it right here for you. Hold on, text bot. Now I'm gonna show you proof that other people is earning, with it. This is the textbot resellers page where they help you out. They talks to lots of marketers that's affiliates of textbot AI. A lot of people, they still bring it. This system still works. Now, I think it's been out for about a year or so, but this SMS tool still works. For those who, maybe had trouble in the past, that's why, they got plenty of training back there in the back office. And also, I could show you how I had got my first sale with textbot AI and what I did. Now, I do have strategies in the description below. If you would like to get started with textbot AI, make sure y'all click on that link in the description, and I will show you my step-by-step formula. Once you connect with me on Facebook, I will show you how I market with textbot AI and how I use it on different marketing platforms. I do have numbers of opportunities that I present. I do like to help others out to do the same. I like to be duplicatable. I like to show, people step by step and give them the guides that was once given to me. That way I could pass it on down. So that's what we're here for. We're here to help marketers, and we're here to help people rise and succeed to what they need to be, all right? So this is pretty much with textbot AI. Be sure to make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies that I can show you guys. I can show you a few other ways that I use textbot AI and how I could be able to get signups and leads on a daily basis. If you would like to know how to do that, make sure you hit me up on Facebook, leave a message, or also leave a comment in the comment section. That way I could be able to get back in touch with you and be able to answer any questions that you guys may have. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Just a little brief tutorial on how you can earn $100 using this tool, this SMS marketing tool that can help you to get exposure to your business or any primary business that you promote. All right. That's it for now today, and see you later in the next video. Double up with Astro.